Good morning, students. So, we are back again with our studies. First of all, you will take out the journal awareness book with the help of your parents. And before starting our class, I just want to ask you all that do you miss your school? Do you miss playing with your friends? What can you see here? You can see a playground, no? So, do you miss this part? Do you miss your teacher? Yes? Okay, so we are going to learn more about our school from this book only. So today's chapter name is My School and it's on page number 29. So first of all, with the help of the pencil, we are going to write the date. So the date is 9. 9 is the number for the date. 7 number is for the month. Then 2020, which is our year. This you will try to write yourselves only now. You have become grown up now. Then you will write over here C.W. Chapter is My School. So this is our school and it is having so many rooms. So first of all, we'll talk about this room. You can see the main chair and two substitute chairs. These chairs are for the parents and this is for the principal. So which room should it be? Yes, when you see a principal in the room, that means it's a principal's office. And here your parents or the visitors can come and talk to the principal. Then this room. In this room, you are having so many books. And what is this? Chair, table. So where you find so many books in the cupboards, which room is it? It's a library. It's a library. In library, you go and you take out the books, read it, and then after reading, you keep it back in the shelves. Then comes our next room, this one. You can see, what is this? A toilet seat. Then this wash basin, mirror, taps. Which is this room? Yes, this is toilet. Now, this is the main room in which you used to spend most of your time. There is a chair and a table, then so many chairs and so many desks and the blackboard. So, which room is it? Classroom. Yes. Here you can keep your books, notebooks, write down on the desk, talk to the teacher, see stories, talk with your friends and learn so many things. So this is the classroom. Then this area, your favorite one. What is this? Seesaw, slides, swings. Yes. This is a favorite place, your playground, where you used to enjoy with your friends, no? So, this all comes in My School. Principal's office, library, toilet, classroom and playground. Now with this, we are going to once again revise the objects which you see in our classroom. You see blackboard, this desk, chair. Apart from this, you see pencil, you see eraser, you see sharpener, your school bags, your tiffins, and your smart board as well, in which you used to see so many videos. So, in your homework, you will learn at least 5 objects which you see in your classroom. Okay? So learn the names of the rooms which you see in the school, and then turn to next page. Here you will write the date, that is 9.7.2020. And this page is your homework, so that is why we will write H.W. Here you have to circle the things that you see in your classroom. I hope I have explained well and you will be able to do it. Now coming to the next page, that is page number 31. We are going to learn one more topic, that is safety at playground. Safety at playground. And we will write over here the date. Again 9.7.2020 and the CW. So you have to observe the pictures very carefully, and they have told the things which you do not have to do here. What is this? This is a swing, and children are playing over here. So these are the points which you should not do. Okay, you can see two children, one is standing and one is sitting. So we should never swing like this, otherwise we both can fall, or this standing girl can get some injury. She can get injury in the head, and it will be blood everywhere. So you should be very careful. Okay, then what is this person doing? He is standing in front of the running swing, and here also the girl is standing behind the swing. So we should never stand in front or behind the swing when someone is on it, and always swing alone. Do not swing like this. Do not overload it. Overload means one person at a time, not two children. Okay, then coming to this picture and this one, what can you see? The child is standing over here, and here she is sitting. Sitting is fine, but she is not holding the ropes or the chains of the swing. So never stand or sit on the swing without holding its strings. These strings are to be caught when you are sitting on the swing, and never stand on the swing. Otherwise, you will fall down. Then this picture. Carefully observe and tell me what you see. Again, that she is standing on the swing and then swinging. You may be strong enough, but you should never swing like this. Do not swing while standing. Again, the swing can turn over and you can fall down. Okay? And lastly, the girl is sitting and one more person is sitting in her lap. This also you should not do. Do not swing with anyone on your lap. Okay? So children, ना तो हमको ज़्यादा बच्चे बैठा के स्विंग पे चलना है, ना हमें स्विंग पे खड़े होके स्विंग करना है, ना हमें किसी स्विंगिंग पर्सन के सामने खड़ा होना है, ना पीछे खड़ा होना है. कभी भी हमको स्विंग को बिना पकड़े ना बैठना है ना खड़े होना है. Okay? Otherwise you will get yourself hurt. Okay? So at home you will revise these points. Take care. Bye-bye.